the error hexadecimal C1900101 with the message, "The installation failed in the first _boot phase with an error during boot operation," typically occurs during a Windows upgrade or installation process. This error often points to incorrect BIOS UEFI configurations, such as secure boot being disabled or outdated firmware, can cause issues during the boot phase of the installation.
First, open your Start menu. Type Edit Group Policy. Open Edit Group Policy. In the Computer Configuration section, select Administrative Templates. Double-click Windows Components. Double-click BitLocker Drive Encryption. Double-click Operating System Drives. Select Required Additional Authentication at Startup. Double-click Policy Setting. Select Enabled. Make sure all settings allow TPM. Press Apply, then OK to apply the changes. Close the local group policy editor and restart your PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.